Hi Achievers! Welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we're learning how to say "You want salad?" Be sure to watch the video to the end for a bonus tip. Ready? Please consider subscribing and let's go! Today we continue learning the names of foods and phrases that go with them. Keep in mind that when we are talking about we or you, in Russian we mean several people. When we need to say you want something, in Russian we say вы хотите, where вы is you and хотите is want. And all together is вы хотите or you want. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word вы. The first sound is v, and then we have y. Try saying e while pushing the tongue to the back of your mouth. Вы. Excellent. Try saying it with me. Вы. Well done. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word хотите. The first sound is h, then goes o, and o is unstressed and is pronounced as a. Then goes t, then we have e, then goes t, and ye at the end. And all together is хотите. Try saying it with me. Хотите. Excellent. Do you remember how to say you when we are talking about several people? Вы. Excellent. Do you remember how to say want? Хотите. And all together is вы хотите or you want. Check out the previous lessons on food if you need to review how to say I want, you want, etc. in Russian. And the last new word for today is salad. Salad, salad. Salad is salad in Russian. Salad. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word salad. The first sound is s, then we have a, then goes l, a, and t. And all together it's salad. Salad with the stress on the last syllable. Try saying it with me. Salad. Well done. So far we've learned how to say you want salad, where you is вы, want is хотите, and salad is салат. Excellent. Now let's see how well you remember everything we've learned today and play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go! Вы is you. Хотите is want. Салат is salad. Хотите? Хотите. Вы. Вы. Салат. Салат. Хотите? Do you remember where the other хотите is? Excellent. Вы. Do you know where the other вы is? Well done. Салат. Салат. Well done, Achievers! Now you know how to say you want salad in Russian. You is вы, want is хотите, and salad is салат. And here is your bonus tip. Another meaning of the word salad is actually lettuce. I remember picking it at my parents' dacha when I was growing up. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so that you never miss a new lesson. I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A Plus Russian.